How to get Duolingo Max. The first things first, before you go ahead and purchase the Duolingo Max subscription, make sure that you qualify for all the requirements that Duolingo Max has given out to us. Now, it is not available on all countries. Duolingo Max subscription is only available for limited countries or region. But if it is already available on your end, all you have to do is just to go to the bell icon right here, which will take you out to a bunch of options on the subscriptions that you can do with Duolingo, and then as well as Duolingo Max. Now, in some of the countries, subscription is only available for removing ads, but the limited access for countries that is going to be available if you are one of those options right there. So if it is available in your country, then that specific subscription will gonna be posted right here. All you have to do is just to tap on Duolingo Max, choose on your specific feature included on Duolingo Max, and make your purchase. So that's it. That's how you checked if your country is available for Duolingo Max, and that's how you get Duolingo Max.